Day in the life of an unemployed 24-year-old making $100,000. Let's get it. It's 12:26 p.m. on this fine Friday. Fridays are usually my chill days. Normally I hang out with my girlfriend, but she's on a family vacation right now, so not exactly sure what I'm gonna do. Probably gonna get a workout in, and then who knows, maybe chill with my boys. But yeah, I guess that's the beauty about being an entrepreneur and being able to do whatever you want, whenever you want, with whoever you want. If I don't want to work on a Friday, I don't have to. So with that being said, let's get the day started. Not gonna lie, I was supposed to hit the gym after that last clip. But actually, fast forward 4 hours, I've been busy coding in my bed. This reminds me of like when I used to intern at Microsoft back in the day. But let's just say your boy absolutely cooked. I got in my coding bag. As you see here, I coded a very, very important part of this specific website right here. And did some pretty insane custom automations in Go High Level and Zapier. So this is super, super advanced. Like as a beginner entrepreneur, when you're first trying to make money online, you don't really need to do a bunch of complicated automation stuff. But eventually when you want to get to the point where I'm at, where you have like all the time freedom in the world to basically do whatever you want, whenever you want, wherever you want, to have all the time, financial, location freedom you ever dreamt of. I forgot what it was. You got to build the right systems, team members, and automations to do all the heavy lifting for you. And so that's basically what I did. And this shit's insane. Like I'm actually so proud of all the knowledge that I still have. I still got the coding genes. That shit's going to make me a whole lot of money. But I think it just goes to show like everything happens for a reason. Like if you didn't know, I studied computer science in college and I interned at Microsoft. All those skills required allowed me to do all this advanced coding and tech related stuff that most entrepreneurs can't do or aren't smart enough, quite frankly, to figure out. I think it just goes to show like whatever you're doing right now, it's never really a waste of time because you never know when that same lesson or same principles you learned from all those experiences might pay off in the future. So as you see with me, my computer science brain is able to figure out a lot of more complicated logical tech stuff that most entrepreneurs have to delegate or hire an automation expert to do for them. So I'm hype, I'm proud of myself, but I look musty as shit and about to go see a comedy show with my boy Dean. Pause. Not like that, it's not a date. My girlfriend's just out of town on family vacation, so gotta do some type of socializing this weekend instead of trap with my laptop just coding all day. Let's take a shower, eat some quick Chipotle, and off to the comedy show.
All right, waiting for my Uber, but in the meantime, I just realized I got a $4,000 payment, a $697 payment, and a $100 payment. Came in today while I was busy working. So just a chill little $5,000 Friday. Yeah, I'm running a little late to this comedy show. I haven't even had anything to eat yet, so I'm starving. And these comedy shows make you drink. Hopefully they have a non-alcoholic beverage I could have. I'm gonna be drunk as shit if I don't have any food in my stomach. Hello, Forenzo. Officially made it. All right, so couldn't really film at the comedy show because a little strict on videography there. But Dean, how was the show?
Show was good.
It's pretty funny.
One of my buddies, it was his name's Josh. It was his show. It was like a blind dating show. It's pretty funny.
So yeah, they forced us to drink 2 drinks each. So stay tuned.
Now, what's the quote of the day?
All right, I mean, if you volunteer, I wasn't even asked that.
I don't even know.
So we're going to Soho House. Dean, how would you describe Soho House for us?
Cool.
It's like a club that you pay for to get mid food. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that mid, but
It's mid.
Basically a club that you pay for so that you could act cool. I only got one because my business partner got one in our business account. So I'm like, fuck it. We got to even that out, so I got one too. Is it the smartest financial decision? Not really, but we'll go there anyway. Couldn't film in there because you're not allowed to film at Soho House, but now
we're going to the Taco the Texan.